Frig yeah, boys. Beautiful's out today. It's like the perfect temperature. But yeah, chains. Who'd have thought, eh? It's a new thing they just come out with in Inwood. It's probably why they never heard of it before, you know? So I'm sure there was some comments on the last video about why I use the binders. It's because sometimes people don't use their clients before they like write stuff down on the internet and stuff. But my theory was if I binder it, pull the trapdoor on and the brimps are pulling one of those and the thing's super tight, then I can still get it off of there, right? Whereas if I just loop the chain to itself or on the guy tight as I could and then I put the tensions on there, I'd have to pull the machine off or jack up the trailer or something stupid, and I quit that. The yard's slowly coming together, I guess. I gotta, you know, just fucking shitloads of stuff to do still, but a little bit at a time, you know what I mean? By the time I'm dead, it should be pretty well right where I want it. It'd be awesome. Pretty well guaranteed that's how it's gonna work. Struggled my whole life to get things just slickety splips. Dead, eh? Dead. Dead as f***. Oh, just a little road tractor. Hey, no big deal, just a little road tractor. I apologize. I apologize if there might have been any inconvenience in your accordance. Good Lord. Look at the tractor. Yeah. Let's weld a bunch of galvanized. Lights up before dark, I guess. Enough of that. Good Lord. But yeah, it almost reached. Almost reached all the words around. We're like a couple feet short. Son of a dick. But other than that, yeah. Just look onto it, boys. Freaking awesome. Got the dicks coming tomorrow to give me a hand with the floor here. I mean, really, it's mostly machine work. I just got to, extra dudes around, help out, rake and shit. You know what I mean? Rake and strings and compawampus. But yeah, we'll see you tomorrow probably. Let me know what you think of them apples. Hey there, buds. Holy shit! Look at her now. Look at her friggin' now, boys. Holy shit. Looks like a spaceship should be living in there, for sakes. But anyways, boys, we did good. Hey, we did good. Let's check out the difference. Oh, funny that. Funny that, probably. Holy schnikowitz, boys, it's morning time in Inwood. Look at how mystical it is. Look at how mystical it is in the morning time. So many misty fellas. Oh, but I got stuff to do big time. Yeah, these misty fellas aren't gonna do me any favors, I don't think. It's gotten all my stuff wet. I thought, oh, I'll just put my stuff under the container and we'll be good, but I can already tell that everything is very much moist. Yeah, very much of the moisture. Very much of the moisture on everything, so that's cool. But yeah, that last video of just destroying that guy's yard had me really looking into like, ground protection mats or whatever. They're only $280 a piece for a 4x8, plastic sheet. And like, even that little job, you're gonna need 40 of them, you know what I mean? So that's kind of unreasonable. And to like use plywood or something, you'd use it once and it would just be, busted in half. That's what happens when you drive tractors on plywood. But yeah, big time operation today, boys. Chances are I'm gonna be in trouble because I'm not near ready, like at all. Just in case anybody was wondering, that's the lights. Shine Decor from friggin' Amazomiums. Buddy?
How you doing? Not so bad.
Oh, my good rocks? Those my good ones? Hey?
So you're contaminated dirt?
Yeah.
Nice.
Slab I got paid to bring home. Oh, you want a dormitory floor for free? I don't mind if I do. batteries? Horse get you? Your brain damage? You always want to put them on their side too. It's best if they're on their side. Oh, there's the hammer I've been looking for literally months. Right on the table.
Right in front of you. Where are these going?
Right on the table. Look, they're 27 times. Look at that. Now I got a hammer spot for my hammers. Fuck yeah. Jim's job is to grab the one without handles.
What?
What do you mean?
These ones.
The ones with the handles are for the growed, for growed dudes that are already growed.
Buddy, I'm ancient now.
Bud, you're not even growed.
Just like one we found right here.
That's probably her. Look at the levelness on that table right there.
Yeah, that's a good battery table. You can
Not even wobbling or all.
Yeah, stability.
Holy shit, that's too good for inwood. We need to shim some of these up so they wobble, boys. Too good for inwood. Oh no. Did I up?
Yeah.
Too good for inwood. Well, we might need these to adjust your pad.
I apologize.
To adjust your tampon.
There you go. Hardly broke in. Hey? I apologize. Oh dear, boys. Well, it didn't go quite as planned, but it's still pretty friggin' awesome. We got like a little lounge area over here. Check this out. This is the lounge. So I can come over here and I can just go like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And just look at the view, boys. Hey? Friggin' right. Tire machine. This and that. I'm gonna run some airlines and have like a friggin' hose reel over there, so you know what I mean? It'll reach like 50 feet out that way, or pretty well anywhere in the container. Except for maybe this very far corner, but we don't need that anyway. But yeah, tires over yonder, a couple things, batteries, you know, this and that. We're gonna get some more shit out of here, of course, but for right now, we just kind of gotta get her where she goes, and that's good enough for now. Got a ton of sorting to do. All these tables gotta get just sorted and get out of here. That's no good. I'm probably going to bring one of the toolboxes from the house out here, set it up, different things, like the layer box, because this is my layer now, accordance, eh? Yeah. I'll pug one's layer meter all seen, except for we're getting out of the scrap metal. Not totally, of course, but you know, good amount, probably a good amount, and yeah, just go full bore excavation concrete removal spooshless basically, so that's gonna work. But yeah, let me know what you think. I mean, it was a long day. I mean, it's after 8 o'clock now. We started at 7. Crawdad got here 7, just after 7. Didn't even have time to push all my shit out yet, but yeah, so any words, friggin' awesome. I need like a Wi-Fi light switch so I can turn it on and off from in the house, probably. That's probably what I need.